Have you ever been told that cracking your knuckles can lead to enlarge the joints and increase the risk of the arthritis? Is it true? There was an researcher named Donald Unger whose mother told him cracking the knuckles may cause arthritis when he was a kid, but he didn't believe that. So he decided to use himself as an experiment by cracking only the knuckles of his left hand for 60 years. Oh my god, this man is so crazy. Surprisingly, when x-rays were taken at the end of the experiment, there was no difference found between the joints of his two hands.